Now, today, hello, welcome students. Now, today we solve some questions related to the principle of mathematical induction. Principle of mathematical induction. Now, principle of mathematical induction. Mathematical induction. The question is Pn such that 1 into 2, 3, 3, 4 plus dash dash plus n plus 1 n plus 1 equal to n plus 1 n plus 2 by 3 n plus 1 n plus 2 by 3. This question is verified for n is equal to 1, n is equal to k and n is equal to k plus 1. First, we put the value of n is equal to 1. First, we put the value of n equal to 1. Then, let put n equal to 1. Then 1 plus 1, ये वैल्यू जो n इक्वल टू 1 लेते हैं ये रखेंगे कहाँ? यहाँ पर रखेंगे लेफ्ट साइड n plus 1 इक्वल टू 1 plus 1 1 plus 2 upon 3, 2 equal to 2 into 3 by 3, that's equal to 2. This is true for n is equal to 1. This is true for n is equal to 1. Now, let n is equal to k. We get pk such that 1 into 2, 2 into 3, 3 into 4, k plus 1 equal to k plus 1, k plus 2 by 3. Now, let equation number 1. We shall prove that if n is equal to k plus 1, then pk plus 1 such that 1 into 2, 2 into 3, 3 into 4 plus k plus 1 plus k plus 1 k plus 2 equal to k plus 1 k plus 2 k plus 3 upon 3. Now, 1 देखो यहां से लेकर के यहां तक हर क्वेश्चन में each and every questions we put the value from here. इसकी वैल्यू वहां से पुट कर लेंगे k plus 1 k plus 2 by 3 plus k plus 1 k plus 2. Now take an LCM. k plus 1 k plus 2 3 k plus 1 k plus 2 by 3. Take in common k plus 1 and k plus 2, that's k plus 3 upon 3. Now this is true for p k plus 1. This is true for p k plus 1. Now here we said that the given statement is true for all natural numbers. The given statement is true for all natural numbers. This is the mathematical statement, and this mathematical statement is proved by principle of mathematical induction. Now the next. Pn a plus ar square dash dash ar power n minus 1 a 1 minus r power n upon 1 minus r less than 1. ये प्रॉब्लम है, ये स्टेटमेंट आपका है. दिस स्टेटमेंट इज प्रूव्ड बाय प्रिंसिपल ऑफ मैथमेटिकल इंडक्शन. same process we put let n equal to 1, then a 1 minus 1 equal to a 1 minus r power n 1 minus r power 0 1 minus r 1 minus r, that is equal. It is true for n is equal to 1. It is true for n is equal to 1. Let n is equal to k, then pk ar square ar power k minus 1 a 1 minus r power k 1 minus r. Now we prove n is equal to k plus 1. Then we get p k plus 1 such that ar square plus AR power k minus 1 plus AR power k is equal to A 1 minus RK plus 1 upon 1 minus R. Now here we put the value A1 minus R power k upon 1 minus R plus A R power k and taken LCM A R power k minus A R power k minus A R power k upon 1 minus R. It is cancelled and now AR power k plus 1 minus R and A common 1 minus R power k plus 1 upon 1 minus R. So it is proved by the principle of mathematical induction. That is same way to the each and every question. Now see the carefully and properly. So the next question, remaining next question will be tomorrow. Thanks.